Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another video, Life with May May. It's like, I don't know, like a quarter to 11. We're up and at 'em. I got a nail appointment. And guess what, guys? I get to go see the young lady that used to do my nails before she left and got her own shop. So this will be my first experience at her shop. So I might not get a YouTube video, but I'll get some shorts. And when you see those shorts of that salon, that's my original nail tech from Sammy's here in Holland. But she the original. She had started doing my nails. I think she was like 18, 19. She like 34. Something like that, a couple years younger than my daughter. But yeah, and I'm so proud of her. She probably was working on this for a while. You know, when people see things in another light, and if they can make their circumstances better without hurting nobody, I say go for it. But then again, people gonna get hurt because they losing somebody. Then they gonna get a lot of people coming in and out before they get the right person. So, but I'm happy for her. And she owned the shop and she gonna be doing my nails. So I miss that catching up. Then she used to always give me extra stuff on my nails, which I get that now. Because I think I get that because try to keep me, but my original nail tech, they had a loss in their family and it's so sad. Her husband lost his brother, so prayers up for Sammy and her husband. But yeah, that's going around these days. So, I ain't got no discrimination, you know. And it's sad when you lose somebody, but it hurts. It hurts like heck. Me and my mom was just talking about that yesterday. I said, to me, you will never get over it. Just learn to live with it. That's just to me. That's just me, my perception. So right now, I'm gonna go to the bank and the bank, and then I gotta go make a stop, and I gotta go fax this insurance thing. Guys, comment down below how many of you ladies, even men, hopping from insurance to insurance. I'm so tired of this, but I be trying to get the best deals because it's like if I could save, because my original one would have been $470, then I found one for $260. It's the same thing. So I just pray that this it for a while, but I know this gonna go up too. They all do. And then you gotta look for another one. Then you gotta go back to the one you left. Just too much skipping around. But I'm about trying to save money because I don't have money. Just throw away, give away, however they want to say it. But I'm so happy, guys, because look at my nails. They horrible. They did last though. It's only, and they so long, so they're gonna start hurting in a minute. So I'm gonna get them done today, and then a few days before my birthday, good Larissa will. I still don't know what I'm wearing. I'm thinking about wearing, because I know it's gonna be St. Patrick's Day. I ain't did that in a little minute, so I'm thinking about that. I don't know, because I don't have no hey, my truck running loud. Maybe because I haven't drove it. But I'm thinking about green and white. So I don't know. That's the weekend before, so then I can do pink and white, because I got my pink and white dunks, and then I can do what is it, gold, because my gold and white Adidas, I haven't worn them in forever. That'll be something different. And that's what I think I might go with, gold. Yeah, I'll find me a nice gold, dressy, casual type blouse with some jeans. And I already got my, if I could find me a gold purse too. Because I got a brown purse, but if I could find me a gold purse, that'd be killing it. So we gonna see. We always do birthday dinners for each other, so I want to go Outback. I already know where I want to go. Outback, but my husband don't like seafood. We always go to Logan's though. So I don't know. I might do breakfast. I know my husband did something different. He went to Olive Garden for his birthday. That was good. That was different. I don't know. My truck running kind of loud, guys, because I ain't been driving. It's been hurt. So I gotta make this fast. At least let me go to the bank, go get this card and fax, and then go to my nail appointment. Time be moving, boy. Wanna wash my truck too. I guess it ain't the time because it's been raining. So I'm so happy I got vacation for tonight, guys. Because I took FMLA the other days and I would only had to go just tonight. But my supervisor, I talked to the HR lady and they sending people home again or firing them out. So I don't know. I want to, Lord's will go back Sunday, just work overtime next week. I ain't gonna be able to do it following week, my birthday. I'm taking that off. When I come back, let it be overtime. Stack my money. Gotta get our bedroom suit out. We got a call to Value City probably tomorrow when we get out of work together so we can hear it at the same time. Put my defrost on. Yeah, guys, we at 703 subscribers. I thank and praise all you guys. I pray that you tell a friend, tell a family member, church member, co-worker. Let's run these numbers up. We're trying to get to 1,000 or more. Next month is my birthday. I'm claiming it. See what's going on out here. It's a dreary day, but I'm claiming it. I pray you guys are with me on this. If I can get 50, 30 a day, that'll put me probably over 1,000. Ain't no wrong with that. It's best to have more than less. So please, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like this video, thumbs up the video. I'm just asking you to support the channel. Like I always say, it's free, which it is. It don't cost nothing. So we all need support in one way or the other. I really appreciate it if you can. Tell a friend, tell a family member, co-worker, person in passing about my channel, and let's run these numbers up. And guys, for you guys that don't know about my channel, this is encouraging, positive, uplifting channel. I don't want to be in the mess. I know mess and drama gonna come, but I'm not with all the stuff. Me or my daughter, and go over there and support her at Family First. It's a few of them. Hers is the first one on the docket, as they say. So go over there and show her some support. And she at 5,000. Yeah, she had 5,000 subscribers, but she got to get her watch hours up. That's crazy though. you think you reach your amount of subscribers that you need, but you gotta watch the watch hours. So, you know, ain't have one without the other. So, yeah, we beat this other insurance because I don't know who gonna take some money up. Just gotta be ready. Just gotta be ready because I ain't got no money to give away. Quite sure nobody don't. Not these days, how hard it is out here. And Trump just making it harder for us middle class and poor people. And it's sad. It's so sad. And I know God's sitting high looking low. He the ultimate judge, jury, and executioner. You know, man got to be careful what they do to other people, because when that stuff come back, it's not no joke. And a lot of people don't like that when they come back around. What is going on? These people driving crazy. Okay, which way I want to go? Which way? Yeah, they driving real crazy out here, cutting people off. Almost got sideswiped. What did I do? What did I do? It's not that serious. Should have brought my umbrella. Guys, ain't doing nothing today. Had to get up early and go get my funds, because you know when you stop a payment, you don't know if they still gonna try to take it out. It's like, no, that's not gonna work. And it's not gonna work. You don't know, you gotta be ready. And you gotta wait till they reimburse you and all that stuff. No. Try it now. It ain't nothing in there. It's enough of what I gotta do. Pray they don't. Dang, they building stuff so fast. Low income apartment houses. They building that stuff fast. So I guess I'm gonna go by the Gateway Mission store, guys. I'm trying to find my dad a nice jacket. Come out here, gotta be raining. That's crazy work. Yeah, guys, I think I got like another year and a half pay for my truck, but pray for me, something come through, I can pay for it earlier, sooner. I'm tired of payments. My husband was telling me what the mechanic said about 10 years. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Oh, I should have I messed up. Oh, I messed up. I went the wrong way. Oh no, I'm going the right way. So we gotta go to 16. Yep. Okay, I got it now. I know these trucks and cars are like, what's she doing? There's time to get lost. Stuff to do. So hungry. Yesterday I fried some Polishes. Those was awesome, guys. And something fast like that, it was awesome. I think I still got a few left, but I will need something from a restaurant. I don't know what though. I think I might go to Mr. Gill. I can eat off that bowl all day. That's what I think I might go. Yeah, ice cup. Just give me a Coke pop. Not from there though. Yep, guys, when I get to my destination, every place ain't for the internet, so take my phone down and put it back up once I leave, because they don't want their address on camera, which, can't blame them. So guys understand why you see my phone facing inside my truck. That's why. So it's just gonna be for a few minutes. It's not gonna be for that. Hope you guys understand. Sleeping well when I come back and get full to eat, take me a nice nap. I know I took care of my business. That's what I always tell my husband. I'm like, when I got stuff to do, I can't sleep. I'd rather just go do it. That way I can come back and relax. So just like I'm doing this. I'm gonna get my nails done. Gotta go fax something. Gotta pay a bill. Gotta get gas. Gotta give me something to eat. I can't wait. When is it? I think next Wednesday is my youngest, my second granddaughter's birthday. She'll be 17. Aaliyah, aka Mimi. 17. Time was so fast. She was 1 when I got married, so I'll be married this year 16 years. That's crazy. Sucking on a sippy cup. And now she a young lady. Beautiful young lady. I think she graduated this year or next year. I don't know. We gotta get with her about that. She'll be this year, if I'm not mistaken. Postgraduate, 17. Supposed to. Some people early, some people later, but I know it depends on your birthday and all that stuff. The street. I don't come over here that often. Oh, dear. I ain't seen one of them bad babies in a long time. Comment down below, guys. You got deers, y'all. Where you at? Do you got deers? You guys got deer still running around? I ain't seen a deer in a long time. That was first. I know that should be over, but I know they still roaming around because they started building them. I guess where they habitat at. Yeah, I already knew that. You turning or what? I was sitting up here thinking, I know my birthday be in March, but it's strange how it be slushy and sometimes it still be snowing and raining on top. That ain't good. So hopefully it'll be like that this year. I take it like this, but no rain. Okay, so where is we going? No blinker, nothing. I tell you, okay guys, I'm gonna take the phone down. I'll bring it up in just a sec. Man, I should have brought me a bag or something. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Right back. This is really nice. It's nice. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Yeah, guys, I signed up for a women's group, so and they gave me a bag of goodies. That was nice. Nice. Okay, I'm about to get teary-eyed. Thank you, Jesus. So now, I go to Speedway and fill up on the gas. Ooh. Contain your tears, girl. Put you guys back up in just a second. Like I said, I don't want to show their address. Why my lip just peeling? It's almost like I be peeling my skin off, and then it shows like discoloration. I hate that. And I did have some. Discoloration serum. I don't know. It didn't help like I thought it would. Okay, so I think we're gonna go to the Gateway Mission store right now. Then I gotta go fax this. Go back into my mail appointment. See what they got. I'm looking for my dad. Yeah, guys, I encourage you guys, if you guys live in Holland or surrounding areas, they got a Gateway Mission store. You guys should go check them out. They be having some nice stuff. I be doing shorts on there, videos on there, on my channel. So you guys need to be looking out for that. And if you guys did go, comment down below and tell me what you think and what goodies did you find. But you know how they say, another man's junk is another man's treasure. Prime example. I ain't gonna say it's junk because whoever be donating there be donating some nice stuff. I gotta say, some nice stuff. I really don't want to go because it's raining. But I just want to go see her. Got a little time. Birthday cards. I like them to have them out all month long. Then I gotta call my second granddaughter. She told me she was just doing a dinner and getting her a hotel room, so let's see if she wants her money. Before, I think she said her dinner is next Saturday, so come up here for that, or she can wait till next Saturday. And this rain ain't letting up, boy. It's some bipolar weather if I ever seen it in my life. Crazy. construction around this joint. Nothing out of this. Ah! Know how you have a lip gloss or something you get adapted to? That's all messing with my comments. Know that Blistex ain't no good. Oh no. That's So yeah, guys, right now we're gonna pop into the Gateway Mission to see what they got. Say I made a full day out of it. Trying to get an hour footage for y'all at least, or close to it. We had 31 minutes and 18 seconds. So I hope you guys be enjoying the content. And for you guys don't know, first time here, I just view whatever I'm doing. It ain't no specific thing. I know what I'm doing before I leave the house, so that's what I'm vlogging or recording. So I hope you guys like it. You can adapt to it. Never know what you might see on anybody's channel, but me, I want my channel to be respectable, cordial, and uplifting, God-fearing, positive. I don't want no mess, as they say. God don't bless no what? Mess. I'm not a messy person. You know, there's a lot of messy people and messiness out here. People thrive on that, but I don't like it. I don't like it for nobody. I don't like it for myself. I don't like it for anybody. So, a few cars in here. I don't know. This thing stay packed. Once people found out about it, that's why I said they be having some good stuff. Stuff. Too far over. Man, this camera is crazy. It just popped back on. What's going on with it? It don't even make no sense. Alright guys, Gateway Mission. Keep your eyes peeled and see what you see. If you live in Holland around in there, you can run up here and grab it. Guys, here we go, Gateway Mission store. Rain and all. Thank you. Ooh, slippery. Maybe switch it around. Okay, wait a minute. Ooh, they're cute. That's what type of collar my shoes is, but that's the wrong type of purse. Ain't that something? Okay. Let's go over here. Hear me go, guys. Hear me go. the fit for the day. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going the shed and find this is nice. Look at these shoes, guys. They look practically brand new. Still ain't got nothing. Yeah, they switched it around. We gathered together to ask the Lord's blessing. That's pretty. I like this setup here. This home is built on love and shenanigans. Yeah, this is just a quick overview of the store, of what the little knickknacks you can find, and it just goes on and on. And they all working and setting stuff up. Shoes happy. That's cute. So, yep, we don't see nothing, so gonna come back another day. Yeah, nothing. Plus I'm pressed for time. So let's go to Dollar Tree. I don't know how their carriage is. I know I probably got all the carriage that Dollar General got to offer. Give me a second, guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys in this time. I can bring you guys back out because it's raining. I don't want, you know, my phone might be waterproof, but so much rain get in it, and it stop working. That's the only phone I got, so gotta keep y'all in here now. So I'm just gonna run in Dollar Tree and get some. I gotta get scrubbing bubbles and some Comet and 3 birthday cards for my granddaughters.